I'm excited to tell you about my Finding Freedom Spiritual Bootcamp class with the Course in Miracles principles. One of the main things that most spiritual students are looking for is a powerful spiritual practice that we can do with ease and grace on a regular basis, and it really works. I call it proving God, and that's what the core of my Finding Freedom Spiritual Bootcamp class is all about. Look, I was one of those people. I read all the books and I took so many classes and went on so many retreats. I did so much spiritual adventuring, and yet I still had a deep sense of lack, a deep sense of all these limitations that were external to me, and I couldn't quite figure it out. I was motivated more by fear than by love, and I felt like I was hitting this glass ceiling that this stuff works for other people, but it just doesn't seem to work for me. What's the deal? And that made me feel this deep sense of unworthiness, like I just couldn't break through. I was always going to have to be settling and coping with this sense of lack and limitation, this sense of unworthiness. But then I started to tap into the spiritual practices that actually dissolve and resolve this kind of mindset. I've met so many spiritual students along the way, thousands, literally thousands of people who find that they can use these principles of A Course in Miracles and apply them, that they're actually starting to have a living spiritual practice, not just studying it anymore, but applying it and living it. And this boot camp is all about that. And it's about doing it together. It's about eliminating the blocks to love so that you realize, oh my gosh, I actually have a tremendous capacity to be loving, to be present, to be healthy in my relationships, in my creativity, in my workplace, in my family, in my relationship with myself and my self-care. All these are the benefits that people find from doing my spiritual boot camp class. I invite you to take a really good look at everything that I've written here on the page, and if it's right for you, you will know it. You will begin to feel it. For a lot of people right now, they have extra time and they'd like to use it productively. What better thing could you do with your time right now than help your whole family and your community and everyone in your life rise up, because you are free of the sense of lack and limitation. You're free of attack thoughts. You can make so much progress in a very short period of time. In fact, I guarantee it. Yep, I do. If you're willing to do the work, we're going to do it with you. If you're not quite sure, you can book an exploratory call. So check out Finding Freedom right here, right now. Mwah!